kanilang mga mensahe kung gaano kalalim ang pagmamahal nila kay Jaren bilang isang artista.
Hey Jaren, happy 1 year anniversary. Words can't even express how proud I am of you. It's been an absolute privilege to see how far you've come, even releasing your own album. I'm so excited to see where you go and where else God brings you, and I love you so much, man.
Hi Jaren, happy 1 year in the Philippines. I'm wishing you lots and lots of success, and I want you to know that we all love you. Bye.
Jaren, happy 1 year anniversary in the Philippines. Obviously, love you lots. Much love, big respect, I miss you so much, bro. Come back.
Jaren, I just want to say I'm so proud of you. Everything that you've done, you know. Like I said before.
Hey Jaren, happy 1 year in the Philippines. We miss your time, and we just wanted to say that we're all so proud of you. Everything you've done and every time you step on the screen, we're all there smiling, and we're so proud of you. We miss you a lot as well, and I can't wait to see you, man.
Hi, Jaren. How has it been a year already? It feels so much longer than that, given all you've achieved, and I'm so glad that I get to witness all of this as a part of your journey. Know that I, along with the rest of the team, your glam team, Kuya Chino, Kuya Ryan, we will always be here to have your back and cheer you on. We are so excited to see you reach even greater heights. Continue to stay the humble and thoughtful person that you are. I know you'll go far. We love you so much, and cheers to more years to come. Mama!
Happy first anniversary, baby. Happy first anniversary, Kuya Jay.
Jaren, happy 1 year anniversary. We're so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. So proud to call you one of my closest and best friends. We wish you many more years of prospering and succeeding. You accomplished so much, and in Jesus' name you'll continue to accomplish even more. We love you so much, and happy 1 year anniversary.
Isang taon na ang lumipas. Ang binatang minsan nangarap, ngayon ay inspirasyon na. Mula sa simpleng kwarto sa loob ng aking bahay, unti-unti mong binuksan ang puso ng marami.
Cut everything up. That we're only a housemate once.
We're not coming back in this house to be a housemate again. This is like a once in a lifetime experience and opportunity, so don't hold grudges. It's better that we build a foundation for a good relationship inside here so that we have an even better one when we leave.
Sa bawat tawa, luha at tahimik na sandali, nahanap ka namin. Hindi ka lang isang housemate, dahil isa kang kwento. Kwento ng katatagan, kabutihan, at tunay na pagkatao. Habang pinapanood ka naming lumago, unti-unti din namin lumalat. Hindi lang bilang tagahanga, kundi bilang isang pamilya. Isang taon ng pagbabalik tanaw, isang taon ng pagmamahalan, at isang taon ng Jaren na totoo. At habang tumatagal, mas lalo namin naiintindihan kung bakit ikaw at bakit hindi na kami bibitaw.
Congratulations! Tagumpay kayo sa inyong weekly task! Grabe, Jared!
Grabe kayo!
Ang dami mong iniyak, basang-basahin pa yun.
Oo nga eh.
Ayan, so how does it feel na makita mo ulit yung mga kaibigan mo sa London na? Tama ba? Nasa London din sila. Yes.
When I didn't expect to see my friends, but the people that you saw on the screen, those are like,
Aww! Okay lang yun. Bukas sila sumagot. Oh, there you go. Binabawi na namin ang video.
but they're like my brothers too. They're also like my family.
Jared, sabi mo, yun ay brothers mo sa London, di ba?
And it's so crazy. This video just sums up everything that's happened. I'm just so thankful. I'm so thankful to God. I'm so thankful to all of you. Thank you so much.
Ayan, so papalakpakan natin lahat na nag-effort kunin yung mga kaibigan ni Jared, pagsama-samahin yung mga brothers ni Jared, di ba? Jared, hindi mo man nakasama yung mga brothers mo doon, di ba? Look at you now, saan ka ba nanggaling? Sa Pinoy Big Brother.
I left the family at home, but I gained a family here.
Yes.
Thank you guys.
Aww. Grabe yun.
Tama na, uwi na, uwi na!
Ayan, so...
Okay, after this, guys, we're gonna eat.
Kaya sila naiyak. Naluluto na sila. Oo, kaya sila naiyak. Si Jared naman, ang tagal umiyak yan. Sige.
I just don't know what else to say, but thank you guys. And I hope you guys stay and carry on standing by me and make new memories with me and experience everything that I experienced with me and celebrate every gain with me and even celebrate a loss with me. I'm so excited to carry on with my journey and my career, and I feel so much better, and I feel like a weight is off my shoulders because I know you guys are there. So, yes, thank you.
So ito ay unang taon mo pa lang, Jared. Grabe, nagmamahal sa'yo. Susuportahan niyo ba si Jared for the next coming years? Yes, syempre. At dahil susuportahan niyo, kakain na tayo. Ayan. Ayan, so Jared,
Thank you
sige.
guys, I love you all. Thank you so much.
Ayan, so, again, salamat po sa tatay ni Jared. Salamat po sa... Tatay ka po talaga ni Jared. Parang kapatid ka lang. Ay, ang gawang driver naman ni sir. Ayan.